Hey guys, come with me to wash my Jeep, my little baby. I bought a new wet dry vac too, and they got a little mini blower it came with at the top. I love it. Let me put this together real quick. It was easy and simple. The only thing that had me puzzled was where all the pieces were, and they were inside. So, haha, laugh at that. My sister was like, "Girl, did you open it?" I'm like, "Oh." So let's chat. How do you guys feel today? I feel amazing. Hopefully you do too. And if not, I'll just extend some of my vibe to you. You're welcome. Every time I put something together, I be like, ta-da! I had called my baby loves up like, "Hey y'all, let's wash our cars today. It's a good day to just wash our car, cleanse. Cleanliness is next to godliness. We all know that. Hopefully you can feel that. The blower that it came with does detach. Super sweet. Look y'all, I could blow stuff." Girls could put stuff together, it ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying?
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
This is the first time I hand wash my baby myself, and I have fun doing it because I got all up in there. Cleaning up and doing yard work, just being outdoors, is very therapeutic for me. Usually I have someone else clean my car for me, but I took the time to do it myself on this beautiful day. Almost done, and I had fun. Now it's time to do the inside because the outside looking magnificent. Go ahead and vacuum on my baby. When I buy my property in Africa, I could just see me now. Look at that girl, the orange Jeep gone. Everybody. I want bigger wheels too, and a different grill and some LED lights. Oh man. I'm a color girl in a color world. Little twirly twirl and a little swirly swirl. Baby all clean, so baby get the buffies now. I wish you would say no they not. If you said that, unsubscribe right now. Say no I don't. You better not. Get back over here. I love you. Oh yes. Sparkly clean. Everything clean. It's my favorite one. Job well done. Time to pack up. I really love my Jeep. Let's pop these doors. What's next? I did one side and my baby helped me do the other. Teamwork make the dream work, as usual. It's a very easy process. Anybody could do it. But to help one another is a pure act of love. I need to buy the hooks that you hang in your garage for the doors, and I'll be set.
Every day when you're walking down the street,
hanging with me and kicking it for a while. Beautiful day for a nice ride in the sun with the doors off. I really love being by the water, and I had a very beautiful day. Tubular. Heart workouts out, baby.